The topic of my presentation is when grief goes the wrong way. We came together because we are to discuss this very difficult topic, but despite that, it is still a topic about life. When grief goes the wrong way, a complicated grief, methodology of grief therapy, and I will provide you with some information about complicated grief. We know that the process of bereavement can be complicated. And the difference between the usual grief, so to say, and complicated grief is the intensity of this experience and the temporality of this. When a person stays, say, stuck at a certain stage of the bereavement process and in the response to this grief, which brings about this or that form of exaltation. Complicated grief can manifest itself at different stages. The main factors causing pathological manifestations would be the suddenness of loss, the uncertainty of loss, for example, in case of missing persons, the number of losses, this actually overwhelms the grief, then experience of living through the previous losses, additional stress factors, and specifics of the personality of a person who is bereaved. There are several types of complicated grief, chronic or prolonged grief disorder, deferred grief disorder, exaggerated grief response, or concealed grief response.